So we're gonna backtrack to the year 1998. Your boy's 9 years old, Portland, Oregon. I'm at Northwest Investments standing in front of a black on red Lamborghini Countach, the first Lamborghini I ever saw in my entire life. Well, fast forward 20 years later, I always say there's no day quite like delivery day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back vlog, welcome here to North Carolina, and welcome back to the year 1987. I'm sure a lot of you guys remember back in January, that childhood dream came true. I bought a 1987 Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV. You probably also remember I couldn't drive the car that day. It had a fuel leak. It had to go through a full mechanical restoration. Well, it's September. That mechanical restoration is done, and today, for the first time, we're driving the Countach. Today is just gonna be one of those days. If you're born in the 1980s or the 1990s, the cars in this garage are the cars of childhood lore. The XJR15. Are you kidding me? I think it's safe to say it doesn't get much better than this. We're at a random barn in North Carolina on the Curated Classic. We got two F50s, an F40, and way in the back is a Countach. I still cannot believe that I own this car right here. Like, I'm walking up to my Countach right now. Now I have to say, this is not gonna be the most visually appealing moment in the history of YouTube. Oh yes, it's snug in here. It is so, I forgot how small the Countach is. Yo, okay, so I gotta go fill up this car with gas. I'm incredibly nervous. I'm next to a $700,000 Mercedes-Benz. Where are the keys? It's hard for me to convey to you guys how nervous I am. I'm legitimately shaking right now. This is so insane. This is like the most intimidating car to drive. Oh yes, okay, so that Mercedes right there, it's an AMG Hammer. It's legitimately worth like $600,000, $700,000, and we are precariously close to it. I really can't stall because like I'm surrounded by connoisseurs of classic cars, and I'm gonna embarrass myself eventually, but maybe not for a while. Do not stall it, do not stall it. Okay, we are good to go. We are absolutely rolling. Driving the Countach for the first time. There's no power steering on this thing. I'm trying to drive with one hand. I cannot stall it. Testarossa F50, F40, XJR15. Sorry, John. Wow, I nearly just hit a VT Roadster. Let that sink in for a moment. I'm gonna be kicked out of the rally before it even starts. The look on John's face right there. Of every car I've ever driven, the Lamborghini Countach is like the most intimidating car. 25 years ago, I never would have imagined this would be happening. This is so insane. This car is fast too. This car rips. Let her rip, tater chip. That's fifth gear right there. It is absolutely perfect here in North Carolina in the white on white Lamborghini Countach. I almost hit you in the VT Roadster. I'm in the Countach.
Oh, James is, wait,
he's coming.
James is coming again.
Dude, John, welcome back to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Getting the Countach, it is absolutely amazing. Completely exceeded my expectations, dude. I'm so excited. Thank you. And of course, one of the novelties of the Countach, the gas cap, is actually in this side intake. The lighting's really bad, but trust me, it's right there. Can I just get a God bless North Carolina 93 octane fuel? Come on, Utah. That color looks so good. Coming to the channel very soon. Someday, one day, John and I, we're gonna find an SE30 in Lambo purple. It looks so crazy. So John is helping me learn how to fill up my Countach. I know, guys, you think I'm an idiot, and I am an idiot, but John's the expert, so he's teaching me everything I need to know.
So when these cars are low on fuel, they actually, it's a weird thing. Diablos do it. You have to like finesse it. So
love that John Tamarian finesse right there. Yep. You see, the Lambo doors time and time and again come in so handy. They're so practical. You absolute legend, the Sour Patch Kids. Every single road trip we go on, we always get the Sour Patch Kids.
That's absolutely true.
Dude, this is so insane.
Sustenance.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing I'll say about the Countach, it is so practical for shooting videos because check that out. Doors up, that car looks so good. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely obsessed with that car. Okay, back to the ranch, and then I don't know where we're going or what we're doing. I probably should close my door. I realized today's video has been a little bit chaotic, and I don't know how to drive this car, but that's kind of the experience right now. I'm going through so many range of emotions driving this car. It's so much fun. I know this sounds so cliche. They don't make cars like they used to, boys. This is so surreal. What is going on? XJR15, there's only 28 of those in the world, and only 3 of them are yellow. We've got the anniversary Countach, the F40. This is ridiculous. What? This is one of the coolest rallies to be a part of. I mean, every single important car from my generation is here, and we are going to be leading the charge with the SE30. We have the anniversary downdraft Countach right there. All these cars are pristine and so incredibly valuable. Like, I feel so honored to be a part of this. Like, how is this possible? How are we here? Okay, so we're gonna lock out reverse and we're gonna shut her down. This car is just too good looking. It is so bright. When I told John Tamarian about a year ago that I need a white on white Countach, I never actually imagined it would actually come to fruition. We finally get to drive the 5000 QV, and the white on white looks so sick. Now we have the silver wheels, and don't worry, they're gonna be powder coated white very, very, very soon. So mechanically the car is like 110%. Aesthetically, it's gonna need a little bit of love. So after this rally, it's headed back to Miami, and then once it's in Miami for a while, then we're flying there and we're driving to Utah. Yeah? Yeah. So per usual, I'm always trying my best to hook you guys up. Look at that view of the Ferrari F50. That's VIN number 001. It's the first F50 ever built, and it's straight pipe. So on the Countach, we have 15,184 kilometers. What that equates to in miles, I have no idea. Of course, on the Countach, first gear is down and to the left. We want to make sure to lock out reverse. The last thing we want to do is blow up a Countach transmission. I love the interior of this car. It is so retro. It is so 80s. But check this out. We got a digital clock. That is so sick. Like, we're living in the future right now. This car is modern, and of course, the glass right here to adjust the mirror, you gotta stick your hand out and adjust accordingly. Obviously, you can't see anything in the Countach. You just kind of sort of put the blinker on, you wait 3 seconds, and you just kind of pray. I don't know exactly how I pulled this off. Alex referred to it as good fortune. Come on, yeah, come on. Please, please, after you. We want to follow the F50. Come on, Dennis, there we go. Yes. Come on, send it, Dennis. Do it for the viewers, do it for the audience. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Let's go. Oh, this thing's not bad. This is not bad. Okay, brakes. Oh gosh, the brakes though are not very good. We don't like the brakes. This is for you guys. The F50. That is such an amazing car. We are living a childhood dream right now, and the brakes on the Countach are not very good. We are testing the full potential of the brake system on a Countach. I would not recommend it. It's not very good. It is hard to convey. I mean, you guys know I got little chicken legs. I got little baby chicken legs. I'm not supposed to drive a Countach. We have an F50 in the mirror. Okay, we got a little bit of space. We cannot stall. Oh wow. So I may have just lost some clutch life right there, but we're fine. We got a brand new clutch. We got a new clutch. We got room to spare. I gotta learn how to drive this car. I know you guys are thinking, this idiot does not deserve this car, and now I can smell the clutch. Lovely. You know what? One more time. Oh my gosh, what? That sounds so good. Absolute legend right there. That color is so good. Why do I love purple Lamborghinis? SE30 right there. Looks so sick. How is this happening? And yes, my voice is squeaking, but you know what? My voice should be squeaking. I'm driving a Countach. It is so hard for me to convey to you guys how crazy this is. Like, look at these views. Are you kidding me? North Carolina, flexing on the nation. The colors are so incredible. This car is so good. What a lifetime experience this is. Out of absolutely nowhere, the Porsche Club of America. That's a 3RS right there. What? This, boys, is what dreams are made of. We're chasing an F50 at the Billboard Estate in a Lamborghini Countach. Oh my gosh, this is so insane. How is this possible? How are we doing this today? This is unreal. That car sounds so good. Bro, you need an F50. Yeah, I need an F50. So Alex is buying an F50. If today's video gets 146,912 likes, you buy an F50. If it gets 200,000, I'll repaint it a different color. Even better. Lambo color. Smash that like button, baby. And it's hard for me to convey to you guys. My left leg is legit cramping up. We made it. We survived. I'm not even overreacting though. Thor better watch out. It's legit. That's right. Thor better watch out. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Never skip leg day. I can't even get out of this car right now. I'm too old for a Countach. This is so ridiculous. My leg is legit. Like, I'm not sensationalizing for YouTube. My left leg is absolutely killing me now. I'm gonna have to ice it though, but look at that. I'm getting yoked. I'm getting yoked. You're not gonna recognize me soon. My left leg is jacked. Look at that. Are you kidding me?
Power steering, you're gonna be freaking.
I know, right? Forearms.
Forearms are gonna be wicked.
Let's go, baby. Ladies, you're watching. I'm gonna be a changed man soon. I don't know how this happened, Herschel. We're swapping cars.
Swapping keys.
This is. Are you sure? This is
My mom always
dangerous.
told me trust the guy with a camera and a hat. You can have my keys. Let's
Okay,
go.
I've never heard that one before. Trust the guy with a camera and a hat. We're swapping the Countach for the VT Roadster. Let's go F50 SC30. Let's go. We just got a Diablo. Let's go. This is sick. We're living in luxury now, but I can't figure out how to turn the car on. I don't know what I'm doing. Herschel, come back.
Hold on.
Come back. Okay, we got Lambo Jesus with us. A mobilizer. Okay.
Okay. Oh, close your door.
Oh, is that it? We don't know how to start the car. We've been had. No, we've been had. The immobilizer.
We don't know that. We don't know Diablos.
We don't know Diablos. What are we missing? What could we possibly be
Lamborghini's
missing?
immobilizer works really
It does. No, we can't steal the car. We're trying to steal Herschel's VT Roadster right now, and we can't figure it out. Herschel, come back.
Hit the button a couple of times.
Hit it a couple times. Okay. Lamborghinis, am I right? How many times?
I don't know. He's
He
had a
doesn't have
couple.
any time. I have no idea what we're doing. He's leaving with the Countach. Bye, Herschel. Bye. Bye. Wow, we're the two dumbest idiots. We don't know how to turn the car on.
All right, I got you, boy.
Okay, we got it. We got it.
Now that's tricky.
There we
Easy.
go. There we
All
go.
right,
We're
so
back,
easy.
baby.
Thank
Bye,
you,
guys.
bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, we are so dumb. There's
Okay,
no
so
power. There's no power.
There's a secret security switch right behind your head.
Okay, now you know. This is so luxurious. We have power steering. It has power steering. My 10-year-old self would be freaking out right now. The Countach looks so crazy on the road. It looks like a little toy car. Look at that thing with the pop-up headlights and everything. Are you? How do I own that thing? What? Dude, let's go. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 1987. That car looks so sick. What an absolutely legendary experience. That is how you back up a Lamborghini Countach, ladies and gentlemen. The thing I love about this car, it takes time to master it. I'm not quite there, but I'm gonna get there, and the white looks absolutely sensational. The pop-up headlights, ladies and gentlemen, what an experience. F40, Lamborghini Countach, Diablo SC, the F50. Oh goodness, I cannot wait to get this car back to Utah. So yes, as I mentioned, this car is headed back to Miami, and then hopefully maybe early November, maybe December, we'll be driving this car back to the beautiful state of Utah. We need a cosmetic restoration, so enjoy this view of a 5,000 QV, because the next time you see it, we're driving it back to Utah. And on that bombshell, today's video, is over. This lineup right here is absolutely ridiculous. Walking into lunch, F40, F50, downdraft Countach, and the best burgers in North Carolina. And beautiful human Lambo Jesus, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's eat a burger with
Are you
onion rings
kidding
on
me?
it. Let's eat
What is it like to be that good looking and that good hair?
You're just too nice to me, as always. I can't comment. No comment.